I tried Bitfinex wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Bitfinex wallet app, I expected a complicated trading platform built only for professionals. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Bitfinex has evolved into a surprisingly smooth and powerful wallet for both beginners and advanced traders. Right from the start, the app impressed me with its sleek interface and responsive design. Signing up was simple, and verification was completed within an hour. Once I logged in, I was greeted by a dashboard showing my portfolio, open orders, and market trends all in one place. Bitfinex supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller tokens like OV, Link, and XRP. Over the week, I tested deposits, spot trading, and even margin trading. Transactions were fast and liquidity was excellent. I noticed almost zero slippage, even on medium-sized orders. Most people think Bitfinex is risky because of its early controversies, but the reality today is very different. The platform now uses multi-layer security, cold storage, and advanced account protection features like withdrawal whitelists and FA. During my test, I even tried simulating a withdrawal without authorization and it was instantly blocked with a security alert. Another surprising feature was Bitfinex staking and lending options. I staked a small amount of Polkadot and saw rewards accumulate daily. Passive income potential here is real, though you need to understand the associated risks. By the end of 7 days, I realized the shocking truth: Bitfinex isn't just an exchange anymore. It's a full ecosystem where you can trade, stake, and manage crypto securely from one app. It's not perfect. Fees can be higher than competitors for smaller trades, but for serious users who value depth, liquidity, and performance, Bitfinex delivers more than expected. If you thought it was just for pros, think again.